G'day folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here, bringing you another do-it-yourself video. Today we've got a 2009 Hyundai Tucson up on the hoist, and belongs to a buddy of mine, and he was told that the U-joint was bad. Now, when I removed the U-joint, it was kind of difficult to come out, but it did have snap ring retainers. The new one's all installed by now, but it had snap ring retainers. I got them out, I pressed the joint out. A little difficult getting it out with a U-joint press, but got it. Then we took the U-joint to various parts stores, and we were told that the 2009 Hyundai Tucson does not have a U-joint that's replaceable. In fact, every parts store we talked to said, we'll sell you the whole shaft, and emphasis on shaft. And yeah, $1,400 plus tax for the shaft. When this is all good, and this is good, it's just the U-joint that's bad, and they should be 20 to 30 bucks for a new U-joint. So we were wondering what to do. We called all the parts places around our city. Everybody said the same thing, can't get a U-joint aftermarket for it. We did, however, manage to have one of the parts guys tell us, hey, why don't you check out this machine shop in our city? They might know what to do. So I called the guy, and he said, I said, hi, I've got this 2009 Tucson, and he interrupted me, and he said, let me guess, you can't get a U-joint for it. That's right. He said, let me guess, everyone tells you have to buy the whole shaft. That's right. And so he said, Hyundai SUVs, Toyota SUVs, and Honda SUVs all expect that when the U-joint wears out, the whole shaft is no good and should be replaced, which is completely ridiculous in my opinion. And he says that I, as a consumer, could not order these U-joints, or not easily anyway, but he has access to them. He special orders them. And he said also there's some machining that's required of these two parts when they get put in. And I think what happens is he maybe cuts grooves for the snap rings to fit in. That might be what he does. And maybe this shaft already had that procedure. There are 200,000 kilometers on this car. So that U-joint probably wasn't the original. So anyway, the whole point of this video is if someone tells you you need to replace the whole shaft because you can't get a U-joint and it's going to be like $1,000 to $2,000, stop. Try and find a machine shop in your city that specializes in propeller shafts, drive shafts, balancing of shafts, and they'll know what to do, because apparently this is a common issue for Hyundai, Toyota, and Honda, and maybe others. So I know I didn't really show you much as far as doing, but I'm hoping that this video will stop someone from blindly going, okay, I guess I have to pay the huge money for this new entire shaft when it's only the U-joint. Good luck with your do-it-yourself projects, and if you like my videos, please subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.